I wish I tried this recipe out a long time ago. The results were amazing and it was so good. My kids enjoyed it and I believe you would also enjoy it too. I am Ifia. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make corn dogs in the comfort of your home. Let's get into the video. To my bowl, I'm going to add a cup of room temperature milk, 1 egg, mix it together nicely. And then goes in a cup of flour, vanilla sugar, baking powder, and some salt. I am going to list the exact amount in the description box, so do not worry, you can check it out there later. I am then going to mix all these things until a very nice batter is formed, and then I'll set it aside. I will then take my sausages and cut them up nicely, just as you can see me demonstrating in the video. I will then put a toothpick in each of the sausages I have cut out nicely, just as you can see in the video. After this is done, I am going to try and roll my sausages in some flour, and this is just to help the batter stick nicely on the sausages to give us that beautiful finish. So our sausages are ready for coating. I am going to coat each of them in the batter beautifully to form that kind of round dough around the sausage, just like you can see in the video. And then straight into the oil. I already have some oil heating up, so I'm going to go ahead and drop the sausages beautifully into the oil and fry them until we achieve that golden brown color. After we achieve the golden brown color, we are going to get it out of the oil and transfer it onto a tissue paper to drain the excess oil. And we are ready to serve and enjoy. You can serve this on the side with some dip. It takes the taste to a different level. If you have watched me till this far and you enjoyed the video, kindly remember to subscribe for many more simple and amazing videos just like this one. Thank you all so much for your time with us. Time is precious, so if you are able to watch this video till the end, I say God richly bless you and may your week be lovely and fruitful. Till I come your way again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
Ifia's Kitchen. Daredel.
So tasty!